Welcome to the online classes. My name is Syam Shah from BPS Public School Navanagar. Today I will teach you English grammar. The topic is noun. Noun means Sangya. Noun is a naming word. That means name of the person like Raja, Rohit. Name of the place like Delhi, Navanagar. And the name of the things like table, chair, etc. All are the examples of noun. Understood student? समझ में है आपको? और भी अच्छे से समझाने के लिए मैं कुछ और एग्जांपल आपको दे रहा हूँ. You look here. So more examples are. Annu sang a song. Here Annu is the name of a girl. Sang a song. वह गाना गाई थी. It means Annu and song both are noun. The next example is my family lives in Boxer. So here family and Boxer both are noun. Come to the next example. Goa. It is the name of the place. Goa is a nice city. So here Goa and city both are noun. Dog. The dog is a faithful animal. That means here dog. This is the name of animal, and here animal. Both are noun. Now, my dear student, as you learn noun, now I will tell you the kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. The first one is proper noun, that means व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. Second one is the common noun, that means जातिवाचक संज्ञा. Third one is the collective noun, that means समूहवाचक संज्ञा. Fourth one is the abstract noun, that means भाववाचक संज्ञा. And the last one is material noun, that means द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा. So my dear student, I had told about the kinds of noun. Now here, the first kind of noun is proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. That means it is particularly the name of particular person, particular place and particular things. For example, Agra, Red Fort, etc. are the examples of proper noun. Some more examples for better understanding. Here, look here. Person. My name is Syam Shah. So I am a person. Here, my name is Syam Shah. So Syam Shah is a proper noun. Come to the next example. Place. Delhi is a place. Here, Delhi is national capital of India. Here, India. That means Delhi and India are the example of proper noun. Come to the next topic. Next example. School. My friend teach in BPS Public School Navanagar. मेरा दोस्त BPS Public School नवानगर में पढ़ाते हैं. That means BPS Public School Navanagar. This BPS Public School Navanagar is a proper noun. Thing. I like to eat dabar honey. Here, dabar honey also an example of proper noun. Come to the next topic, the second kind of noun. Here, the second kind of noun is common noun. A name that is commonly used for person, place or things is called common noun. That means this noun suggests the common name of the person, place or things. For example, boy, dog, pen, man, etc. are the examples of common noun. Some more examples for better understanding. Here, boys like to play football. Here, you listen carefully. Look here, boys. Here, not mention the particular one boy. Here, so many boys are here. So, boys like to play football. So boys here the common noun. Come to the next example. There are many beautiful parks in Chandigarh. In Chandigarh there are so many parks are there. So not here, not mention any particular park. That means park also the example of common noun. Come to the next example. My friend borrowed a few books yesterday. मेरा दोस्त कल मुझसे कुछ बुक उधार लिया था. मेरा दोस्त, friend, not mention the name of my friend. So here, friend and books. आप यहाँ पे देख लीजिए, books means यहाँ पर not mention the name of the book. So friend and books also the example of common noun. People like to live in city. People, so many people are here. Here not mention the particular name of the one person. किसी का यहाँ पे नाम यहाँ मेंशन नहीं किया जा रहा है. That means यहाँ पर people means बहुत सारे लोग हैं. So people and cities. आप ध्यान से देखिएगा. City. Here not mention the name of the city. कौन सा शहर? So here people and city also the example of common noun. Let us discuss difference between common noun and proper noun. In common noun, girl, it is the general name, but it is not specific. Here in proper noun, Sita is the particular name of the girl. So Sita is proper noun. Similarly, car, bulb, book, deo, these all are general name, but they are not specific. Here in proper noun you look, Honda City, it is the name of car. Surya bulb, this is the name of the bulb. Ramayan, this is the name of the holy book. Dio, the name of the here fog, this is the name of Dio. So one more important thing, my dear student, common noun do not start with capital letter. Common noun capital letter से start नहीं होता है, but proper noun start with capital letter. लेकिन proper noun हमेशा capital letter से ही start होता है. Our third kind of noun is collective noun. A name which is given to a group of people, animals, or things of same kind is called collective noun. That means this noun suggests a group of people, animal, or things of same kind. For example, crowd, class, team, herd, etc. are the examples of collective noun. Some more examples for your better understanding. Here, the first example is a crowd of people in the market. So, in the market, a crowd of people. Crowd means भीड़. Market में आदमियों का भीड़ इकट्ठा है. That means here crowd is the collective noun. Come to the next example. I lost a bunch of keys yesterday. पिछले दिन मेरा चाबी का गुच्छा गायब हो गया. That means खो गया. That means here bunch is the example of collective noun. My friend keeps a herd of cattle. Herd means झुंड. So here herd is the example of collective noun.